Hello, this is Jessica Kremsreiter. I am a data capture specialist on the healthcare team at Zebra. Today, I'd like to walk you through our DS8178 healthcare Bluetooth scanner. There is a virtual tour that could be made available to you online that walks you through all of the features and benefits of our healthcare scanner. Today, I'm going to do that for you. First and foremost, it's really important in a healthcare environment that the scanner picks up the barcodes every time, the first time. Nurses are very, very busy, and in this environment, they need to be able to read barcodes right away to save them tons of time in the day and help them focus on the patients and not on the technology. So we've made that very easy to do with this scanner. Secondly, it is specifically designed for healthcare. So what you'll see as we walk around this unit is that there are no speaker holes, no screw holes, no places for bacteria to hide in this unit. And so it was specifically designed to be wiped down with all of the harshest disinfectants in a healthcare environment. That is also why it is made to withstand the longest list of healthcare disinfectants out of any scanner on the market today. Okay. Third, in a Bluetooth scanner, you need your battery to last a long time. Okay, we have a couple of different options that this is showing you right here. First, I want to talk about our Power Precision Plus battery. Not only is it very efficient, very long lasting to last a whole shift, of course, but it is also smart and manageable through the tool that I will mention to you a little bit later. Secondly, there is an option here for customers who have some sort of green initiatives. It's called the PowerCap. And what that does is it allows, whenever there is a workflow that the scanner is placed in the cradle after every scan, typically, or after every use, I should say, then that scanner then can use this PowerCap that is not a lithium ion battery, it is a supercapacitor. So that is an option as well. You'll see with either one of these options that there's an onboard battery gauge that easily shows that there is quite enough battery in here. This is green. It will turn to amber when it gets to be below 50%. And when it starts getting really low, it'll turn to red so that the nurse knows that they are about to run out of battery in their scanner. So they need to make sure to return it to the cradle. That being said, this battery, like I said, allows for at least a 12-hour shift. So they shouldn't have to have any issues with that at all, as long as they're replacing the scanner back in the cradle from time to time. Speaking of cradles, we have two different options. This is our presentation cradle. I'll go over first. You can see the barcode here that you scan on the back to associate the scanner with this cradle. However, ours does allow you to stick the scanner right in the cradle, and it will automatically associate so that the nurse does not have to do that themselves. A few unique features of this presentation cradle is that it has a magnet in it. This magnet has a lot of great uses in healthcare, especially, but this is one of them. You'll see you can mount the scanner over the top of the monitor, which allows the user to take advantage of hands-free scanning and also the lamp mode feature that is available on this 8178 series scanner. So this allows this button to be pushed and this light will illuminate the work surface. So at night shift, in very dark situations, low light scenarios, the nurse will be able to see without having to have someone else come by and hold up a light, flashlight from their phone, which infection control does not seem to like, and to be able to see what they're doing. Also, what you can see is that the way that this is designed is that the magnet down here, the contacts are raised up. Sorry. The contacts are raised up in the cradle so that there is no contact with any liquids. There's a hole at the bottom, so a little bit of airflow. So, if it's not completely wiped down and dried after each cleaning, then you don't have any corrosion issues like others on the market. Also, what you can do is use this button to page the scanner, beep, flash, vibrate. When you can't find it, your scanner gets lost in the sheets. That is a good option for the user to be able to find their scanner right away. Also, the hands-free scanning, like I mentioned, your light will illuminate and it's motion sensing. So it'll be looking for a barcode. What you'll also notice is that we have white illumination and a green aiming dot. And this is especially particularly beneficial in a healthcare environment because we were told by the VA that red illumination is a PTSD trigger. So we specifically designed our healthcare scanners with white illumination and a green aiming dot. Here you can see this other cradle option. This allows you to have it on a wow surface, on a flat surface, on a desk if you need to, but also be very easily mounted on the wall with these two keyholes here, just two screws, hang it up like an old phone, while making a couple of changes, quick flips and switches on the cradle to be able to allow that mounting on the wall. You'll also notice this paging button here, and the light will flash as well, and this can be moved around this way. So many different options with the Zebra scanner to be able to mount. Also, what you'll find is that healthcare environments can be very noisy, so there are plenty of beeps to go around. You can turn the DS8178 to night mode with vibrate a couple of different ways. One, by scanning a configuration barcode. Two, by building it in to the configuration, and three, by enabling something called night mode trigger, where the clinician would be able to trigger, hold down the trigger for about 15 seconds so that it does not happen by accident, and disable and enable the night mode, where they just will hear it or feel it vibrate, not hear the beep, and have some illumination up here on the top with this LED. So this is how you'll know that your scanner has read those barcodes. Lastly, I just want to mention really quickly about Wi-Fi friendly mode for those customers who may be particularly concerned about Bluetooth interference with Wi-Fi. You have the ability to disable Wi-Fi channels. And that can be done through our complementary scanner management tools. So we have two tools, 123 Scan and Scanner Management Service, which allow for quick deployment of scanners configuration. You can get all of the settings set up exactly how you would like them in your particular environment, and then deploy all of those settings down or even update firmware remotely. So, it's very important for an IT administrator to be able to send down configurations if they need to be able to update firmware, to do any of the changes, manage their scanner fleet remotely without having to walk around and touch every single scanner in their environment by scanning a barcode to configure it. So we allow that to be very, very easy using their existing network management tools. As an example, Microsoft SCCM, they can use the tool to push configurations and changes to their scanner. Hopefully this was very helpful. Like I said, this is available on the web. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your team, your sales team, and we would be happy to assist you. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.